morning, Uganda. Today we are taking you through mainly the solar backup system. You know, it is a security company and a power company. We deal in the power and the security solutions. Today in particular, we are going to talk about power, and that is the solar power solution. First, what are the advantages of the solar power solution? One of the advantages is to cut cost and to stay on in case of hydro power blackouts. Oil will stay on if you have a solar system installed at your premises. With me here are the gadgets which are included in a solar power installation. These are some of the components. You know, some of you when you hear about solar, you go for panels, batteries, but have also the so-called inverters, the changeover switches. These are the batteries. There you have the panels. This blue device I'm touching on is a hybrid inverter. You know, previously we used to have the normal sine wave inverters, but which were upgraded to the hybrid inverter solutions. It has its advantages, and that's why it was upgraded from the sine wave inverter to the hybrid system. It's more intelligent, very superior. When I talk of superiority and power and intelligence, it has the option of connecting you can control it on your PC or using your mobile, whereby you can control the amount of power coming from the panels to it. I say when the weather is very bad, the sunshine is not all that much, you are able to control that power from the panels using your phone or any mobile gadget, so that you can monitor what is coming in and what you can use during the day, that you can keep for yourself, what you can use at night or in the black shade. These cables you are seeing, they are the battery cables. These ones here, they are connected from the battery to here, as you can see them. These ones here are the panels where we connect our panels from. This is the breaker. Why we are saying it is an intelligent system?